Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be talking today all about the Caraway nonstick pans. I am so excited to talk to you guys about these pans today because if you've been following me on Instagram and here, you know that I've been on the hunt for a great nonstick pan or nonstick cookware set, and I've tried a lot. Like a lot, and I've been very disappointed and haven't found anything until I found Caraway cookware. So this cookware I've been using for 3 months now, and I wanted to give you guys an overview of what I think about it, if it is worth the money, also some cool features that you can get from this cookware specifically, and then also too why they're just an awesome company and why these pans are for you. So I just wanted to give you an idea. The set itself you can buy all together, but this pan all alone is $145 if you buy it outside of the set. So that's a little pretty penny for a pan. So I wanted to give you guys my honest opinion and tell you if I thought it was worth it and what my experiences is using these pans for 3 full months. Really quick before we start though, guys, this color that I purchased is called Terracotta, and right behind the camera I just realized is my purse. It's like the exact same color. I must be like on a kick for like this shade of pink because I'm just drawn to it, I guess. But let's start there. So this color is Terracotta, like I just said, and it has some really nice silver detail on there, and I absolutely love silver. Like, I'm a silver girl, love it. These pans you can get in a multitude of colors. Any color aesthetic that you love for your kitchen, you can find for these pans, and they even have gold hardware too now. So not only can you get your favorite colored pans, but you can also get gold hardware that's so in now for 2022 to match your kitchen. So not only do these get to be like your color personality, but they can be your kitchen aesthetic as well and just be a gorgeous pop of color in your cooking space. That is probably my #1 thing. There's so many great things about these pots and pans, but the color choices were so gorgeous. I was stuck between Terracotta and Marigold, which is like a bright, like dandelion yellow color. Oh my gosh, I just absolutely loved those, but then I ended up going with my little pink color here. But the color choices, everyone will be able to find colors that fit their aesthetic and fit their kitchen. The best part about this cookware, it is non-toxic. Gotta love that. That is super, super important when we're cooking and eating the food on the pans themselves. We need things to be non-toxic. It's also free from PTFEs, and it has an aluminum core and stainless steel handles. So I absolutely love that about this cookware. It is heavy duty, and you can just tell it's really well made. This is the smaller frying pan here, and as you can see, it's got a really thick outer wall, which is really, really nice. And it's got a gray interior, like I said, stainless steel handles, and then mine is the color Terracotta. And then on the bottom you can see it is stainless again, and it has the Caraway logo. So I just think these are absolutely stunning to look at. But like I said, non-toxic, what does that mean? Your food tastes better. My food tastes amazing. These pans, I was talking to one of my clients about this because she has them too. These pans make you a better chef, a better cook, a better, I like to call myself a better mom cook, because the food just tastes better when you cook in these pans. And because of the way they're designed, you don't have to use as much butter or oil to cook with them. So you are saving calories, being a little bit more healthier, and it is literally just the perfect pan for everyday cooking. These pans are also able to go into the oven. So if you're cooking a stew or a big like piece of meat to go and stew in the oven with some red wine, oh my gosh, so good. You could stick that in the oven. I'm getting hungry. It goes up to 550 degrees of heat safe protection, and I just love that. So you can go right from the oven right to the stove top and vice versa and have effortless cooking, and it's just amazing. Another feature that I wanted to mention was how beautifully these pots and pans come delivered to your door. I just love the fact that there's no plastic in the packaging either. Everything is cardboard recyclable and packed so that your pans get delivered right to your door really safely. And I just absolutely love the presentation of unboxing brand new beautiful pans like this. So what I also love about these pans is that it comes with the storage. So there's these storage pieces here that magnetize together to hold the pots and pans. So you can display them on your counter like this. You could have them in the drawer like I do, or you can decide which ones you want to put next to each other. You can move them around, and each piece comes with the storage system just like this with the magnets on each side, and it's perfection. It really is. So it keeps all of your pots and pans in one place, and it's easy to organize. It also comes with the lid hanger, which I think is so cool. So you just organize your lids right into the holder, and you can lay it down in your cabinet. You can hang it from the cabinet, whatever your heart desires. But coming with storage, this is an even better deal. So not only do you get all of the pans with the lids, you get the storage as well. What's better than a new set of pots and pans that are non-stick, that actually work, that'll stand the test of time, come with organization, and are beautiful colors? Like, what more do you want? So there's also some pretty cool features that come along with these pots and pans. So if you notice right here underneath, there's a little ridge. So when you are heating things on the stove, make sure that your finger is behind the ridge, and then you won't burn yourself. So ahead of this is gonna get hot, behind it will stay cool, and it's just a nice feature so that you can pick your pot up off the stove and not get to the hot part. So I thought that was really, really neat. And then the same thing with the lids. So when you're boiling food, or when you've got some nice spaghetti sauce in here and you want to lift up the handle doesn't get super hot. So you can just pick that up very easily and, you know, stir your sauce, put the top back on, and not have to worry about grabbing pot holders and things like that. And like I said before, you don't need as much butter and oil because the pans are so efficient. So it makes cooking easier, healthier, and just overall better, because your food will end up tasting better as well. And it's not gonna stick. So you literally look like the perfect chef. Everything comes out perfectly cooked, perfectly browned. Your eggs just slide around effortlessly. You can make the perfect sunny side up egg. It's just so much fun to use this cookware because it's designed to help us enhance our cooking skills. I just feel like I can do it all. If I can cook and brown chicken perfectly and put a beautiful meal on the table using these pans, I feel like I'm winning at life. I just feel so amazing when I can put really good tasting food on the table for myself and my family. So with pans like this, I make it a point to take really good care of them because I do want them to last as long as they possibly can. So I only use silicone. This is the set that I have. I just got it right on Amazon, and it just all of a sudden, you know, just matches my kitchen as well. This comes in a bunch of different colors. I always have them linked down below in the description box, but these are the tools that I use, and I find that they're perfect. They help me, you know, cook everything perfectly. And they are silicone, so they won't damage the bottom of the pan. So these pans, you might think, oh, let me just throw them in the dishwasher. Don't do that. I hand wash all of my pans, but what I do first is I let them cool on the stove. So once I'm done cooking, I let them chill out. I let them come back up to room temperature. I don't put the hot pan into soapy water or under the faucet. I let the pans cool completely first. And that is really important because we want to preserve that coating. We want it to last a long time. So once they are cooled, I will go ahead and wash them with just a soft bristle brush, some mild detergent, and then I will just hand wash them and hand dry them. And even though the dishwasher seems convenient, doing it this way, it literally takes less than 60 seconds to wash these pans. So even though it might seem like the dishwasher is the easy route, definitely hand wash these and they will last you even longer. So I know you guys have probably seen me use these pans in past videos. You will definitely be seeing me using them in future videos. I absolutely love them. Are they worth it? Yes. A big, huge yes, yes, yes. I would highly recommend these to anyone. Any client of mine who asks me about pans, I direct them over to Caraway. I just think this is such an awesome brand. Thank you so much to Caraway for sponsoring this video too. This is just amazing to work with you and to be able to share a great non-toxic cookware that's safe for families, and just, I can't recommend them enough. Anybody watching right now, you can actually get 10% off anything on the Caraway website, including the full pots and pan set, which includes the organizers, all the lids, and all of the pans that you see here. I will put my link right here, and I will also stick it down in the description box so you can click on that and get your discount. But I highly recommend these pots and pans. Like I said, you will be seeing more of them to come, and anyone who asks me, especially my clients, ask me, what do you recommend for pots and pans? I direct them right to Caraway because I just really stand behind this company and this brand, and they're just highly, highly recommended from me. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments about the pots and pans, put them down in the comments down below and I will be sure to answer them for you. if you do end up buying your set or anything from the website, write it in the comments. I want to know what you guys picked out, and more importantly, I want to know what colors you guys picked out. That's like the most important thing to me. These colors were drawn to me, the Paracotta and the Marigold, but what is your color? Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Many more videos to come. Make sure you're subscribed and like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon with a new video. Bye everybody.